Welcome to ReconBids AI. Let's take a look at how you can streamline your government contracting workflow. Government contracting starts with finding the right opportunity. With ReconBids AI, finding that perfect match is easier than ever. Users can search by keyword, NAICS code, PSC code, and agency, organizing results into a cleaner, faster workflow. Once an opportunity looks interesting, you can open a full view to see every critical detail in one place. The snapshot gives a clear overview of the notice details, classification codes, and a direct link to the listing on SAM.gov. From there, ReconBids AI can perform a deep dive using advanced artificial intelligence. Instead of reading through every detail manually, let the AI summarize the opportunity, review your fit, and identify risks. Attachments are often where the most important requirements live, and our system makes them easy to digest. ReconBids AI detects available documents and analyzes them to surface submission-critical details and compliance items. After reviewing the analysis, you can save the opportunity directly into your capture pipeline. ReconBids supports practical decisions with simple actions, along with custom notes and follow-up dates for your team. Once analysis is complete, you get a clear fit score and a summary of how your capabilities align with the opportunity. The system even generates targeted questions for contracting officers and draft emails to help you move faster. Attachment intelligence summarizes documents, identifying important dates and evaluation criteria so you can bid with confidence. Find better opportunities, understand them sooner, and make smarter pursuit decisions. ReconBids AI is your partner in government contract intelligence.